Here's all 5 of my Jeep 9s. One on the far right, and the one next to it are both Athearn Genesis DCC sound. And the 3 to the left are all Athearn Blue Box. I've had the shells for quite a while. They were on broken chassis, so I purchased some Jeep 9s at the Model Train Show swap meet in Gridley a few weeks ago. Or last weekend, I think it was. So they're going to all 3 be powered in DCC in the near future. And this one's the tunnel motor that I also picked up for 25 bucks. Right now I'm in the process of putting a decoder in it and a keep alive current keeper. And it should be running probably next week sometime. I'm not really in a big rush. I installed top headlights today. The lower nose lights, I've got to do a little bit of trickery to get them to work. And I may not add a rear light. I think I'm just going to leave it the 2 headlights. Hopefully the upper one I can get it working as a Mars light. I'm hoping that that's the case. The other locomotive I picked up was the P32 in the old famous Amtrak Pepsi can livery. And I'm going to see if I can get it DCC'd. If any of you have one of those old Walthers P32s and you put DCC in it, send me a note and give me some hints of how I can do it. And here's the Pepsi can. Again, I'm going to see what I can do to get it to be DCC. I may even be able to stick a sound chip in there. Who knows? Yeah, again, like I said, if any of you guys have done it, shoot me a note in the comments section. Okay, I'm back inside right now. I'm about to install the current keeper. Can't see it right here, but it's the purple thing, the current keeper, and the blue thing there's the chip, Digitrax chip. What I'm going to do is put these pieces of styrene in here and glue them in place so that they keep these 2 items in location so they don't shift around and possibly short out on the metal frame or the motor or whatever. I've had that happen once, and I'll show you. Let's see. And there it is. Let's go to the center of the screen here. And you can't see it very well, but it's pretty much fried. It rubbed up against the motor on my Jeep 38, and that's what blew up my smart booster. That's why I don't have one anymore. Anyway, that's what I'm doing with this. I've already programmed the chip. I did that outside on the layout, and like I said, I'm just going to mount those pieces of plastic in there and then cut up the wire that I don't need. I can use it someplace else later. Bundle everything up, and then I can take it out to the layout and run it. But one of the things I want to do is see if I can get the Mars light to work with this particular Digitrax. Let's see. If you hook up the white and blue, or yellow, common blue, it has a function 3, which will enable you to do Mars lights or strobes or whatever you want. Again, this is the DH166D. I usually use the Digitrax stuff in my old blue box, Athearn blue box, because it's simple, quick and easy. So that's basically what I'm doing today on this one. There's no sense in showing you step by step. I just explained what I'm going to do. So probably catch you back out on the layout here once I get done, and we'll run a train. But before I do that, I want to get on the Digitrax website and see if they can tell me which function map I need to use to get the gyro light. And then we'll go out to the layout and try it out. See you in a bit.